Hi guys, I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm doing a wig review, and this wig is from OHMYPRETTY. It comes in this really cute pink box. I love it. And on the back of the box they have their social medias, so go check them out. So before we even get into the wig, obviously they sent us some goodies. So they sent us this edge comb, brush in the comb, nice. They sent us this extra band if you want to attach it to your wig. Then they sent us 2 HD wig caps, really good. Then they sent us this cute bonnet that says OMG, and it's a good bonnet too. Look how cute this is. Oh, and it's tight. And last but not least, they sent a card with all their social media. Now for the actual wig, we have a 26-inch water wave closure wig. It is pre-pucked. This looks really good and I am excited. So the cap construction, these have to be my favorite cap constructions that I've been loving so far. So it's literally just like this, and there's like a elastic part like within the cap, and then we have the band. You know, you can adjust it to make it tighter or looser, and then like there's no combs. I hate the combs. I can't stand the combs. And then we have the lace, the closure, and that's it. So that's the cap construction, which is I've been loving so far. It's more comfortable to just wear it, period. I'm gonna pop this thing on my head. Now I like highly doubt that I'm gonna have to do much to this wig because it already looks, you know, really good. Like it came pre-plucked. Like, look at that, it's already pre-plucked. And the lace isn't like a bunch. Already kind of cut for you a little bit, but I'll go in and cut that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what the hair looks like. This is the length. That is super freaking pretty. The hair is really soft, as you can see. And I didn't even like wet it yet, you know, so. All right, so first things first, obviously matching that lace to my skin color because it's looking a little light. So I'm gonna use some foundation, then this brush. I'm just gonna take the wig, turn that inside out, and then just dab it all on there like that. Just cover the whole entire lace. I love closure wigs because it's not, you know, too much to work with, and they still look really good. Especially if you're like a, you know, you don't want to do too much. You just want to wear wigs like me. You know, don't want to do a lot. Closure wigs, baby. Closure wigs. Okay. Now, look at that. That looks so much better. So this wig is like tight enough to wear, like without any glue or anything. Like tight enough. So I'm just gonna go in. And I just want to cut the lace just a teeny bit. It doesn't need like too much cutting because like, look at that. It's already like practically cut for you. I just want to not have it like such a straight, like just straight across. You know what I mean? I'm just going to cut that. Oh, there we go. So on my closure wigs, I noticed that I like to cut the lace, especially on the sides. I like to cut it more towards like almost non-existent, you know, like leave some of my edges out, if that makes sense. I don't know. All right, that looks good enough. But like I said, you can wear this completely, you know, glueless. I will say it is tight enough, but I'm not gonna like put glue on it, but I am gonna use some Got To Be Glue spray. So I'm just gonna spray that right on the lace, like that. It's like mist it over it. And then gonna take my band and then just kind of lay it. I'm gonna leave that on for like 10-ish, 5-ish minutes. Okay, you guys, so it's pretty dry. You don't need to leave it on for that long. Now, it's time to see this wig's full potential with the water wave. I'm gonna take this spray bottle, just water in here, and just spray. That's it. Spray. Make sure you coat all of the hair. Look at that length. Crazy. All right, gonna do this side. Okay. Now the whole head is coated with water, and I'm just gonna use this mousse just to make it extra, you know, curly and to make the curls stay. So cute. Look at that. Look at those curls popping. Ooh. Like I said, I always say this, I am a no baby hair on wigs type of person. I don't know, I can just never do them right. Like, I really can't. So, but this wig looks pretty good without baby hairs. It doesn't need any baby hairs. Look at the lace. Look at that. You can even attempt to do a little side part if you want. Like, I love emo. Okay, but you can even attempt to do a side part. This is the length. Like, come on. And the curls are super cute. Look at that. Hair is super soft, like barely shedding. It will shed because it's a wig, but like barely. I really do. Like I said, this wig is obviously grab and go. Like, it took me like 5 minutes to put this thing on, make it look cute. Like, look at that. And it looks fantastic. So everything about this wig will be in the description box down below. Go check out Oh My Pretty Hair. Wigs, hair, whatever. So cute. Look how flowy. Ooh. And it doesn't feel heavy on my head, which some curly wigs do, especially with the long length. This feels very light, and I honestly love. So if you enjoyed this video, everything about this wig be in the description box down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.